Hey, health enthusiast, did you know that distilled water is considered the pinnacle of purity when it comes to drinking water? Yes, it's true. Let's dive into the fascinating process of how distilled water is made and why it might just be the healthiest choice for you. Distilled water is essentially water that has been boiled into vapor and then condensed back into liquid in a separate container as it cools. This process strips away minerals, contaminants, and virtually all impurities, leaving behind nothing but pure H2O. Now here's an interesting fact. Distilled water isn't a modern-day invention. Picture this. Around 2000 BC, ancient civilizations in India, China, Mesopotamia, and Rome collected rainwater so it would be available year-round for drinking and irrigation. That rainwater was the purest water available from Mother Nature, and is a far cry from most so-called drinking water today. Rainwater is distilled as it evaporates from the Earth's heated surface. Then it cools and condenses into the clouds, free from impurities. In ancient times, that resulting rainwater was pure H2O. If it weren't for all the pollution created by modern civilization, we could all simply catch and drink nature's pure distilled rainwater. So the question is, can we replicate this natural distillation process at home? The answer is yes, and it's simpler than you might think. For example, this ancient distiller was used to provide drinking water on board sailing ships during the 16th and 17th centuries. Nowadays, we prefer electric distillers. Some connect directly to your water supply, continuously providing distilled water without having to refill it. Or, for those who prefer a more economical and hands-on approach, there are also several affordable countertop models available. You just manually fill these with tap water and press the start button. The distiller does the rest. Each distiller includes an activated charcoal filter to catch the VOCs because they also evaporate in steam. The charcoal filter is very effective, which can be confirmed with a $10 TDS meter. An important tip when using countertop distillers is to always opt for glass collection containers. Why? Glass doesn't leach chemicals and is better for preserving the purity of your distilled water as compared to plastics. By the way, if you distill your own water instead of buying commercial bottled water, you'll be helping the planet, which is drowning in plastics. But we'll save that topic for another video. So why choose distilled water over tap water? Simply put, it's about purity and health. Drinking distilled water avoids the contaminants often found in tap water like lead, chlorine, fluoride, antibiotics, and chemicals added at your local treatment plants. Drinking distilled water instead could contribute to a cleaner, healthier lifestyle, potentially reducing the risk of disease. Some people will claim that we need to drink mineral water to get our minerals. This is not exactly true, as mineral content of water varies dramatically from region to region. And if it is bottled in plastic bottles, we have the concerns of leaching nanoparticles and other contaminants. While it is important to stay hydrated, we also need to maintain our electrolyte balance. A great way to do this is to supplement with LMNT electrolyte powders. I'll put a link in the description box. In conclusion, home distilled water in glass containers represents the healthiest and purest form of hydration available to us. By understanding these benefits and how to produce pure water at home, you can take a significant step towards a healthier lifestyle and a healthier planet. So why not give it a try? Your body might just thank you for it. Remember, the essence of health starts with what we consume. Let's make every drop count. If you learned something new here today, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.